Hakapuli puti ka jingnang jingstart ka long ka budon kam khnang baki khna school kin kieu haki babun kiliang bat nalor kani kalong ru ka budon kam baki khna kinyo ru ikilat ban pin I ya laki sap ki phong ka baki don haki wepat ki benta ka lorito convent school hakar pneutric wisaw arjar pusaw kum shibenta ka jingrakhi ya ka annual parents day celebration kalapan long ya ka junior section drill display halor ka phang be a champion ha campus chong ka ka school Hakani kasi lawan banishimenta do ba Cyril V Urlong Diengdoh IAS Director Katna Tourism kumukongsan harangkat kejadian lang ka Sister Superior Surya nong tudu ka Principal ka Sister Mabel Rodom ki nong hikai ki khna puli ki kmi ki pa nalor ki wei
The Naidu House, led by Hannah Urlong as the commander, Shillong Mail as the placard bearer, and Lillian T. Marvanyang as the flag bearer. The next house is the Nehru House. We have Gabriela Maui as commander, Kyrwoh as placard bearer, and Elba Major as flag bearer. The third house is the Kyrwoh House with R.C. Labette Same as commander, Georgina T. Socklet as placard bearer, and Aviana Pathau as the flag bearer. Last but not least is the Gandhi House commanded by Adelaide M. Lincoln, with Richard N. Watlang as the card bearer and Bunny Kaur as the flag bearer.
Walk straight through doors with a smile. You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the red flag, never the hero. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. Never gonna know you, never even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with a righteous flame. And the world's gonna know your name.
us for that message for our dear parents.
Haba Jingthrang hakane kasngi uba Cyril Urlong ba kumbala tho hakaway kamoto jangki khana kibala le drill follow your dreams kumta Urlong baki khana kidai bandon yak Jingthrang ban be yak Angnud ka bakidon da ka baong balada kidon yak Jingïaishah yak ka bakikwa kanu ka Angnud kan Urlong.
We have faith in God, if we have faith in ourselves, if we persevere, if we are patient, that things will eventually turn out for the better. After every storm, there's a saying that there's sunshine. After every storm, there's a calm. And we have seen that the weather has held up so beautifully. So it is a great lesson, dear students, that if you work hard, if you are disciplined, if you are patient, if you are kind, and you are you persevere in what you wish to do, that your goal and your dream is not far. You can achieve it. One of your drill displays had the motto, follow your dreams. I wish that each and every child here, each and every daughter of ours, each and every student here will follow your dream. We are all grateful. I can speak on behalf of all the parents here. We are all grateful to Loreto Convent, to the Sister Superior, to the principal, and to all the teachers, not only the teachers present here, but all the batches who have passed out, for the immense contribution that Loreto Convent does for our young daughters and our young students in bringing them up, not only by giving them an education, but giving them an education that is filled with moral values, that is filled with character building, that is filled with events such as these, sports and drill display, that brings out the best in each and every student, that brings out your true potential. I believe that God has made each and every one of us and given us various multifaceted talents. School is a beautiful time because it is building up a foundation for the life ahead. When you grow up, dear students, when you go to the world, when you come out of the school, you will remember these moments. These are the moments that you will remember when you have adversity, when you have challenges, when you have difficulties in life, when you want to pursue your goals and dreams. And there will be challenges, that is how life is. Yet you will remember these moments because this is about the foundation, this is about the character that you have received here today. So on behalf of all parents here today, as a proud parent, I want to acknowledge and thank Loreto Convent for all the hard work that you put in to bring up our daughters, to bring up our students who will become the leaders of tomorrow. They are already champions, they are already leaders, but as we go ahead and as they pass out of this wonderful school, one of the best schools in our state, they will emerge as leaders in everything that they do. They'll become excellent. There's a famous saying by Aristotle when he was asked to define what is the meaning of excellence. And he said, and I quote, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit." Dear students, the teachers here, the principal, all of them are giving you the best education and creating the best habits so that ultimately you will excel not only in school, but you will excel in your life ahead.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot ka kia. ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya